Prudent Scholars in association with Goa Headmasters Association.
Namaskar, I am Vilas Satrekar, Headmaster Dr. K.B. Edgewar High School. First of all, I congratulate Prudent for taking this initiative of Prudent Scholar for SSC. Actually, all schools were trying to reach to students in this pandemic situation. We have tried different ways to reach to students, and Prudent has helped us a lot with this scheme or this project of Prudent Scholars. We have completed almost around 50% syllabus of SSC now, as of now, and we have around 50 teachers who are working as a strong team towards the completion of this syllabus, and we can make out that a lot of students are interested in watching this, especially through YouTube. We can make out some of the videos has been seen by around 12,000 students. So this is the way in which we get a response for this. So it is a good thing that along with the efforts of the school, students also can sit in front of TV and watch their lessons. And there is also some good teachers. All the teachers have given the best to their ability. And I congratulate once again all the teachers who have participated, and at the same time I congratulate Prudent. And I wish all the best to Prudent, and we hope that students will find definitely benefit with this project, and all the best to SSC students. I know this page has a lot of problem, but still we all in the teaching community, in the education field, those who are there involved in education, we try our level best, and that's why we wish all the best to this SSC batch also. Thank you.
Technology and internet has made the world a smaller place, and so does Prudent Media. By sharing and broadcasting news on various platforms, it has made possible that people anywhere in the globe can know what is happening in Goa. And with a step ahead, and in accordance with the Goa's Headmasters Association, it was able to share knowledge and teach chapters of SSC examination to all the students of Goa. I can proudly say that I was able to explain almost 7 sessions in total of 2 chapters, that is triangles and introduction to trigonometry, to students of class 10. And the response that I got after watching the lessons was really breathtaking, because a number of students messaged me on Instagram saying that whatever you explained, sir, we understood. And that was a really amazing experience for me. I never thought that I would be teaching students all over Goa. And it has been possible only because of this initiative of Prudent Media and Goa's Headmasters Association. Otherwise, it wouldn't have been possible in this kind of pandemic situation. And on their anniversary, I would want to wish from the bottom of my heart a hearty congratulations for doing this phenomenal job that they are doing, and the team that is working behind the camera and in front to do all this in the really best possible way. My experience was amazing as a Prudent scholar putting out lessons. I never expected to teach chapters like triangles and trigonometry over the internet, because using presentation they get a little bit tricky or in a classroom situation itself, but the way it has pushed my limits of doing presentations to a level was amazing, and I'm happy that I was pushed to that level, so that it helped me to know what are my levels of putting up lessons like this. And I can, tell that it was amazing only because of response from the students, that they were able to tell me that they understood, and that is what is most important. I remember a quote by Ignacio Estrada, and he says, if a child can't learn the way you teach, then you need to teach the way the child understands. And I can say that I tried doing that, and because my viewers were able to learn, I am, happy that this initiative by Prudent Media and Goa's Headmasters Association was really fruitful. And my name is Joel, and I'm a teacher at St. Xavier's High School, Veni. Thank you, and God bless you.
My name is Manisha Casey, and I am from Dr. KB Hedgewar High School. I was given an opportunity to teach science subject through the virtual media. My experience was, I think it was quite challenging. First of all, there were empty classrooms, so I was really missing my students. There was a lack of interaction. So whenever you teach, you need that response from the students. You need those hands up and those questioning, that was something which was missing. But I thought about those students who don't have network, those students who are having range issues, those students who are having connectivity issues. So thinking about them while teaching my lesson, I was thinking, okay, which are the, one entire chapter, otherwise we take around 7 to 8 periods to complete. We had to complete it briefly in a span of 45 minutes. And it had to go that way. So that was a very different experience indeed, but I was very grateful. I'm very thankful to our headmaster, Sir Vilas Satarkar, who gave me this opportunity, and who made me realize that I could be helpful to the society during this pandemic time. Also, a very good initiative taken by Prudent Media, and I congratulate them on completing their 14 years. Thank you.
हांव नागेश उजरकर शेटये चिखलीच्या रेजिनामुंडी शाळेन गेलीं 11 वर्सां कोंकणी आनी हिंदी विशयाचें अध्यापन कार्य करता. कोविड-19 दुयेंसाक लागून लोकांक खुबशा त्रासांतल्यान वचचें पडलें आनी आजुनूय परिस्थिती तशीच आसा. आनी अशा वेळार एक शिक्षक जाल्ल्यान एक प्रस्न आशिल्लो, तो म्हळ्यार आतां शिकोवचें कशें. अशा वेळार गोंयचें एक नामनेचें न्यूज चॅनल प्रुडंट मिडिया 10वी आनी 12वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर पाठ प्रक्षेपणाचो नवो उपक्रम घेवन येता. हें एक स्तुत्य कार्य, जाका लागून प्रुडंट मिडियाचो भाग जावंक मेळ्ळें, तशेंच गोंयच्या साबार विद्यार्थ्यां मेरेन पावपाची संद म्हाका मेळ्ळी म्हूण हांव म्हजें भाग्य मानतां. ह्या परिस्थितीन शिक्षण क्षेत्रान खूब आव्हानां उबीं केलीं. जशें सदांच्या पाठाखेरीत आमी नवे दुसरे तरेचे पाठ जे आसा ते आमी तयार करपाक लागले, आनी प्रुडंट चॅनलार दिल्ले पाठूय हो ताचोच एक भाग. आयज प्रुडंट चॅनल घसघशीत अशीं 14 वर्सां पुराय करता. ताका लागून तांकां काळजांतल्यान अभिनंदन. तशेंच तांकां उलो मारता की जेन्ना जेन्ना समाजाक अशे तरेन तुमची गरज पडटली तेन्ना सदांच तुमी मुखार सरचें. गोंयच्या सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांक हांव सांगूंक सोदतां की कसलोच भंय धरपाची गरज ना. आमी सगळे शिक्षक तुमच्या फाटल्यान आसात. जेन्ना केन्नाय शिक्षणा संबंदान कितेंय विचारचें आसा जाल्यार आमची दारां तुमचे खातीर सदांच उक्तीं आसतलीं. प्रुडंट मिडिया वा प्रुडंट चॅनलाचो भाग जावंक दिल्ल्या कारणान हांव तांचो आनी तांच्या टिमीचो उपकारी आसा. तशेंच गोवा हेडमास्टर असोसिएशन आनी सर विलास सतरकर हांचोय हांव उपकारी आसा. देव बरें करूं.
Hello everybody, I'm Sandra Decunia, teacher at Perpetual Succor Convent High School, Navali, teaching since the last 20 years. Teaching at Prudent Media has been a great experience. As teachers around the world, in our country and around our state, are grappling with the impacts of school closures due to COVID-19 pandemic, Prudent Media along with Goa Headmasters Association has done a commendable job. They have adopted this innovative strategy across Goa to bridge the gap between students and teachers by broadcasting lessons on TV. This has helped the students quite a lot, especially for those students who are unable to access lessons online due to failure of internet connectivity. I congratulate Prudent Media for this great venture and I wish them all the very best. May the flag of Prudent Media keep flying always. Thank you.
Namaskar, I am Saujyoti Vishnudas Chipurnikar from L.D. Samant Memorial High School, Parvari, Goa. I am glad that Prudent Media offered me a chance to deliver a virtual lesson. I had a very nice experience with Prudent Media. I appreciate the work of the Prudent Media for the students of standard 10th and 12th so that they should not be deprived of their learning sessions even during the pandemic time. I would like to summarize the efforts of the Prudent by saying P for their positive approach, R for realistic, U for understanding, D for dedicated for the students and society, E for the educative approach, N for needful for students, and T for the timely action taken by the Prudent Media, particularly during the pandemic time. I would like to congratulate Prudent Media for completing 14 years of serving the society and I wish them all the best for the future.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव जयश्री विनोद मळी. हांव श्रीमती सुनंदाबाई बांदोडकर हायस्कूल साल्वादोर द मुंडो हांगा हिंदी हो विशय शिकयता. गोवा हेडमास्टर्स असोसिएशन आनी प्रुडंट मिडियान जो प्रुडंट स्कॉलर्स हो प्रकल्प सुरू केला हो खूबच बरो आसा आनी हेच्या खातीर ह्या महामारीच्या परिस्थितीत जो 10वी आनी 12वीची भुरगीं आसा तांकां खूबच लाभ मेळ्ळा अशें हांव मानता आनी मेळाय हे खात्री आसा म्हाका. आनी म्हाजो अनुभव जो आसा कॅमेरा समोर हो एक वेगळो अनुभव म्हाका मेळ्ळा. हे म्हाका प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर मेळिल्लो आसा आनी गोवा हेडमास्टर्स असोसिएशनान हेंच्या खातीर म्हाका ही संदी मेळ्ळी आनी ह्या संदी खातीर म्हाका म्हाज्या भितर एक आत्मविश्वास निर्माण जालो आनी एक वेगळो अनुभव मेळ्ळो म्हाका. तशेंच हांव ह्या दोनी गोवा हेडमास्टर्स असोसिएशन आनी प्रुडंट मिडियाचे आभारी आसा हे संदी दिल्या बद्दल म्हाका आनी ह्या भुरग्यां खातीर हे कार्य केल्या बद्दल. तशेंच प्रुडंट मिडियाची 14 वर्सां पुराय जाल्ल्या खातीर हांव तांकां खूब मना पासून मनमनीत परबी दिता आनी अशीच तेंची प्रगती जायत रावची हेची देवा लागीं हांव मागणी करता.
Hello everyone, myself Pritesh Totlikar, mathematics teacher of Sri Damodar Vidyalaya English High School, Margao, Goa. My experience on Prudent Scholar was very good. I have tried my best teaching techniques to deliver the lesson for the entire students of Goa, especially 10th standard student. I thank the Headmaster Association for giving me this opportunity to be a part of the Prudent Scholar. I know in this pandemic situation, it is very difficult for the student to learn online. Teaching maths for teachers without students is again a difficult task. But I have tried my best to give the best for the students of entire Goa. I thank the Prudent team for such a good initiative taken in the field of education. I came to know many of their team members during my lesson, maybe a cameraman, maybe editor. Though I don't know their names, but I knew one of the member, Kuldeep. I thank him and his entire Prudent team for editing our lesson. I thank him and his team again for completing the 14 years of service for the Goa and entering in the 15th year. I wish them a good success, good health to serve our country. As in this pandemic, the Prudent has tried a lot for both 10th standard student as well as the 12th standard students. So I give my best wishes to them and my best wishes are always them entire to their team. God bless you. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Seema Dhore, graduate teacher from Namprasarak Vidyalaya, Mapsa. First of all, I would like to congratulate Prudent for successfully completing their 14 years of journey and hope they have many more. Secondly, I would like to thank Prudent Scholars team for giving me the opportunity to present my lesson with full confidence. And it was really a good experience, and my best wishes for you in future. Thank you.
I am Suresh Aldankar from Jnana Prasarak Vidyalaya, Mapsa. At the onset, I would like to wish Prudent TV a very happy 14th anniversary, and I congratulate them for completing 14 glorious, successful years. I express my gratitude to Prudent TV, to the team of Prudent Scholars, to Goa Headmasters Association, and to Sir Vilas Sadarkar for providing me an opportunity to be a part of Prudent Scholars. This experience has certainly enriched my teaching. It has sharpened my teaching skills, and I am also grateful to them for giving me an opportunity to interact with my students, and they are not able to attend regular classes. So I take great pride and pleasure and satisfaction in delivering my lessons, not only to my students and also to reaching out to all other students in Goa. And I am quite sure that concerted efforts of Prudent TV, Prudent Scholars, and the members of the teaching fraternity will take education to a greater height in Goa. Once again, I would like to congratulate Prudent Media for completing 14 glorious years, and I wish them all the best. Thank you.
Greetings to everyone. Nelson Mandela rightly said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I salute Prudent Media for their innovative idea of promoting and making accessible the most powerful weapon, that is education through Prudent Scholar, to the students of class 10 and 12 who otherwise are locked indoors due to COVID pandemic. I, Sir Tario Dias, mathematics teacher at Perpetual Sarkar Convent High School, Naveli, Goa, sincerely thank Prudent Media for giving me an opportunity to be the part of this noble cause. My best wishes and congratulations to Prudent Media for completing 14 years of enlightening the masses. Thank you.
अहम आत्माराम वेंकटेश उमरिये डॉक्टर केशव बळीराम हेडगेवार विद्यालयः कुजिरा एतस्मिन् विद्यालये संस्कृत अध्यापकः अस्मि। एतस्मिन् कोरोनाग्रस्ते काले छात्राणां पठनार्थं काचित् व्यवस्था आवश्यकी आसीत्। उत्तमं माध्यमं किमपि आवश्यकम् आसीत्। तन्निमित्तं यद् नेतृत्वं स्वीकृतं प्रूडेंट माध्यमं तदर्थम् अभिनन्दनास्पदम् अस्ति। वस्तुतः तैः सर्वेषां शिक्षकाणाम् एकत्रीकृत्य तत्र ये विहिताः प्रयत्नाः सन्ति तेषां प्रयत्नानां बहु साफल्यं सञ्जातं। बहु प्रेम्णा तैः अस्माकम् अध्यापनार्थं साहाय्यं कृतम्। अतः एव वयं सर्वे शिक्षकाः तत्र उत्तमरीत्या पाठनं कर्तुं समर्थाः सञ्जाताः। अतः प्रूडेंट माध्यमस्य अहम् अभिनन्दनं करोमि। मम अपि पाठनसमये किमपि काठिन्यं नासीत्। अहम् उत्तमरीत्या पाठनं कर्तुं समर्थः सञ्जातः। एतस्य कारणं प्रूडेण्ट् माध्यमस्य कर्मचारिणः तैः कृताः प्रयत्नाः सफलीभूताः इति अहं चिन्तयामि। कारणं सम्पूर्णगोमन्तकीयाः छात्राः तस्य माध्यमेन एव इदानीं पठन्तः सन्ति। अनन्तरम् इदानीं तेषां 14 वर्षाणि सम्पूर्णानि जातानि। अतः अपि अहं तेषाम् अभिनन्दनं करोमि। रामस्य अपि 14 वर्षाणि वनवासः आसीत्। वनवासानन्तरं तेषां रामस्य पुनः राजा अभवत् रामः। तद्वदेव प्रूडेण्ट् माध्यममपि 14 वर्षानन्तरं निश्चयेन तेषाम् एकं गोमन्तके उत्तमं माध्यमं भवेत्। ज्वलन्तविषयाणाम् उपरि तैः प्रकाशः स्थापितः अस्ति। इतः परमपि ते उत्तमान् विषयान् स्पृशन्तु, गोमन्तकीयजनानां जागरणं ते कुर्वन्तु इति अहं तेषां शुभेच्छां प्रददामि। तथा च अग्रे अपि उत्तमरीत्या कार्यं कर्तुम् अस्माकं संस्कृत अध्यापनार्थं तथा च अन्यविषयाणां पाठनार्थं तेषां साहाय्यं भवतु इति अहं प्रार्थयामि। अहं संस्कृत अध्यापकः अस्मि। अहं तत्सर्वं संस्कृतेन एव उक्तवान्। कारणं सर्वे जनाः संस्कृतेन एतत् शृण्वन्तु इति मम इच्छा। संस्कृतं पुनः गोमन्तके सर्वत्र प्रसरतु इत्येव इच्छया अहम् एतत् संस्कृतेन एव कृतवान्। जयतु संस्कृतं, जयतु भारतं। धन्यवादः।